JC has been formed against the killing of Sarat Kumar. A 3-point memorandum has been submitted to Jidibam DC and local MLA. A meeting was held this morning at Sorok Atingbi Community Hall against the brutal killing of Sarat Kumar of Sorok Atingbi Kuno, demanding arrest of culprit within 48 hours. JC convener KH Sachikanta Mete urged the relevant authorities to arrest owner of Bolero bearing registration number AS27A2905. I repeat, AS27A2905 of Kausang Faitol village under Tausem subdivision. He said JC's Sarat Kumar's body will not be accepted until involved persons are arrested. He also urged to provide security from Jidibam to Kasar Road.
Mular Gauda, ya brutal killing mark the Thang Lela Hato Halame, Hariba, Mark says Siga Marilena, Aquena, a GSM Senzere, as he said, Disida, memorandum submit of the Rang, as he said, Aquena Taliba, demands in the Niat Asigi, Matanga, Sena, Senariba, Mihapa, Goksang Paitol, Tari number na Bolero, AS27A2905 Asi, Mananga, Putokina, and over the Dipina Bahana Lemere, Niata Sida, Senariba, Maraleva. Near sea, Putoki Hauba, Asiba, dead body, Silangero Habini, Haju Bamgi, County of Rapian Basita, Yangaga, Zirabamgi, Tumchada Habidi, maintain Yamina Taba, Kuntana function, Zita, security, Tambi Hanesu, Tambavani, Aduga, Aroda Hariba, Sida, Kugi, Sarkagaba, Exesia, 10 lakhs, demand of Aduga, Magi, Leveriba Masasinda, Sarkagi Sanaba, Government of PV Hanes, demand of Germany, Hariba demanding a safe Ponti, dead body luxury.